Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this infinity braided wavy ponytail. To start, I'm going to divide off the hair from above the right hand ear to the middle of the back of the head, and I'm going to secure this into a small ponytail. Then I'm going to take the same size section from the left hand side and secure into another ponytail. Now I'm going to take a small slice of hair from that left hand section and I'm going to cross it over the top of the left hand side and then bring it underneath that right hand strand, and then bring it back up to the top, and we're going to bring it over the right hand strand and then bring it down and cross it underneath that left hand strand. Bring it over the left hand strand and then we're going to take it under the right hand strand. And we're going to carry on braiding this way down the section so we kind of make a figure of 8 shape. So we're just going to go over and under, over and under. When you start running out of hair, just take a little slice of hair from the section you're working on and add it to your small slice. Then carry on crossing the braid over the section and then under. Once you've braided for a couple of inches, just slip a bobby pin between those two sections to keep everything nice and secure. Now we're going to gather the remaining hair into a low ponytail. Now I'm taking a small topsy tail tool and just passing that through the elastic band, and I'm going to wrap the elastic band by taking a piece of hair from the ponytail and then just wrapping it around that band a few times. Then take the tail ends through the loop and pull it all the way through. And we're going to do another infinity braid, so split that ponytail in half, take a small slice of hair from that left hand section and we're going to cross it over the top of the left hand section and under the right, and then we're going to bring it up and over the right hand section and under the left. So over the left and under the right, over the right and under the left. And we're going to carry on braiding this way for a few inches, adding hair if that section gets a little bit thin. When you've got it at the right length, squeeze those two sections together and slip a bobby pin sideways through those sections just to keep them secure. And I'm going to create a loose wave by twist wrapping the hair around a curling tong, holding it for 10 to 15 seconds and then releasing. Alternate the direction in which you curl the hair. Now apply some texture spray all over those curls. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And as you apply it, just give them a gentle shake to really fluff them up. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.